Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how to in this video I'm going to show you how to push this main COVID-19 clinical trials project into your GitHub. First and foremost thing, you have to create .gitignore file and mention what are all the files you want to exclude from pushing from GitHub. Second thing, you have to create requirements.txt. Then you have to mention all the Python packages or what are all the packages you have to be mentioned here, as we will be excluding this from pushing to GitHub. Next thing is come to PowerShell and print a toggle panel here. Before this, we must create a repository for this in our main GitHub account. For that, go and just search GitHub. Just sign in into your GitHub account. I have already signed in. In this, press new. Here you will be redirected to create a new repository. In this repository name is COVID-19 clinical trials. So this is it about the main project. So description you can give like this is a machine learning project using COVID-19 clinical trials database. Okay, here visibility I have set it to public, and right now I'll be not adding readme file. I'll tell you in the future. In add git now we have already added git now in our files. In add license we have no license, then we are not adding. Then create repository. Once you create your repository, you will find HTTP or SSH link for your GitHub account. Just you can follow the steps or else steps which I say now for pushing into GitHub. So here you can enter git init. This initialized all the git.md repository packages which are all necessary for your GitHub project to upload into your repository. Once this is done, just copy your GitHub remote add origin, then paste it here. Once you enter this, you'll be getting all this file as untracked. Okay, here files are untracked because you have not added this into a staging area. Once it's done, just enter git add space dot. This adds the files into staging area. Whether it before pushing will be performing this activity, just press enter. Just a minute, sorry, it's git add dot. Now the staging area is untracked. Now you can see the file is added as A. Once this is completed, you can press git commit -m initial so I'm committing a message that as initial commit. After staging area, this creates a mode of these files, requirement files, and also it will be ready to push into GitHub. Once this all the thing is done, you have to create a branch, that is git branch -m main. Here majorly you will be having two branches, one is the main and one is the master. You can either use the main branch or either you can use the master branch. So here I have used main branch, or you can use multiple branch, or you can create multiple branch. Once this is all done, just press git push -new origin main, then press enter. Once you click this, you can see the project is uploading here. If you want to verify exactly, you can just visit your repository, just refresh. Here you can see all the necessary files and documents are added to your GitHub account. Here the readme file is nothing but a project or this whole repository description must be present over here. This helps a lot to understand about this project. You can type, or whether you can code. If you know basic HTML, you can code. This is the COVID-19 project. Just commit the changes. You'll be getting this commit messages. Just enter commit. Here you can see this COVID-19 has present in h1 tag, that is HTML. You can use either of this way. Okay, now I'll show you how this project works and how to run if you have downloaded this project into your system. After downloading, follow necessary steps I'll provide in this readme file. Okay, after performing, just type streamlit run app.py. Once you press enter, this will automatically open a localhost server for opening this project. Here you can see the dashboard of this COVID-19. You can select the country and trial status, what is available or not available, what are all there you can select, and you can select the phase like phase 1, phase 2, phase 4, phase 3. According to that, the data changes, and top end countries are nothing but how many list you must present here, that is in the graph. I'll show you further. That is the time analysis. You can see the trial started over time from January to 2021 of months, and country analysis, top countries by number of trials. Here I have given 8. If I increase this to 9, it will take all the 9 countries. I think I have not chosen here. Let me choose few more countries: Denmark, Bangladesh, Spain. So you can see if I enter this into 7, only 7 countries are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is how we can do. If you want to see the enrollment of distribution, that is normal and log scale, you can also verify this. And if you want to download this data, you can download the CSV file, and also if you want to see Jupyter notebook file, you can also view this. So this is it, how you access these files and how you run this project. You can use wherever you want. I'll be mentioning the GitHub link in my description. So this is it about the videos, guys. This is it, how to push your project into GitHub. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.